All right, guys, welcome back. I've got MagGlass for the iPhone 16 Pro. Now, there's two different things going on here. Here's the matte glass. Now, when I spoke to the folks over at InCase, I said, hey, you have a matte screen protector. My phone's white. What I'm saying? It might look good. And he explained to me that some people aren't happy with the way this cutout is. And I don't think that really is too bad. I think that's really nice. So it doesn't bother me, but I think some people, if some people get very picky about their devices, but that is there to help you folks. That's here to help with your facial recognition and the front camera. So there's no obstruction, because if matte glass, if it doesn't have any cutouts, sometimes it can definitely blur video and things on your phone won't work. I've been through this in the past. So shout out to InCase for even having the cutouts there. I think that's a good thing. But when I looked at these, I said, man, this one has that new mechanism. So I love matte glass. I'm going to install this at some point. But for now, let's go with the Ultra HD glass, because it looks like it's really heavy. It's got that new mechanism in here that a lot of companies are going with. So this is going to be one of those pull install ones probably. So let's go ahead and let's get this unpackaged here. But yeah, if you guys know, I'm a matte fan. I love matte glass, and I think it's important to note that that is the reason that they're doing that. So at some point you will see up top here, you will see a video on the matte glass, because I like matte screen protectors. There you go. Be real careful with the knife, folks. As you can see there, I try to be really careful. So this is their packaging that it comes in. So I know it's got that nice cage in here that a lot of companies are doing now. So it's tightly packaged too. And I really was intrigued by this. I said, man, I got to see this. So nothing else in the box there. And this is how it comes. So, wow, this is my first experience with theirs. So I'm kind of like, oh, it says here, please tear here. So that's how you get it open. All right. And then I didn't read anybody's instructions. Oh, wow. This is cool. All right. Wow. This is crazy. Yeah. Press and slide. Oh gosh. I hope I don't mess this up. So we're going to get some instructions. Obviously you set it in like this. This is how you set it in. And then you pull it down and you pull it right here. That is how you do it. So it shouldn't be too bad. Let me get this current tempered glass off of here, because I do have a tempered glass off here. And I got to say, everyone has their different version of this mechanism right here. But this is probably the one I like the most, because the phone is completely sealed up in here. So let's get off this here. And also here, you do get this. You get your welcome here, as you know, that you get with InCase, activate your limited warranty. And you got the instructions here, and this is how you do it. So follow these instructions, folks. If you're nervous, believe it or not, I've been doing screen protectors for years, and this new mechanism has definitely made me drop the ball, folks. It has made me drop the ball, but we're going to get it done real time for you. There's only one of these. So a brand that I get it right. So here's the instructions. So clean your device. Obviously you want to make sure it's clean, and turn my fan on, getting kind of nervous. Real time for you. Clean it, make sure you put it in, and then when you drop it in here, you're gonna pull that lever after you do it. So whoo, let's get it going. Let's go. So I'm gonna peel off my brand new protector that I just put on here recently. It was just a little cheap one from Amazon. So off you go, off you go, off you go. And now you gotta peel this open, because you do get this full-on kit. Okay, come on. That's security. Man, you would never think I lift weights and worked out every day and nothing. I couldn't get this little plastic over it. All right, boom. Here we go. So you got to have your wet wipe to clean. And I like this little. Oh, this one has a gray one in it. In the glass protector I did for the camera modules, it had a white one in there. So that's pretty cool. So you got embossed in there, tempered glass. Okay, and then you got your dust removal stickers here, and then you got the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wet wipe this thing. We're going to wet it up. So nice big wet wipe in here too. How's it smell? Oh, this one doesn't have much smell to it. I like the ones that smell like lemon, have a lemon smell to it. You know what I mean? All right, so we're going to clean the phone up really nicely. Yeah, I wanted to start by giving you an explanation for those people out there that might have been concerned about the matte glass. And honestly, folks, I'm doing the ultra clear glass because it has this new mechanism here. I can tell that one probably doesn't have it in there because it's kind of moving around in there. So it probably has one of those shields that you put on, but I will eventually show you a video on that because I'm team matte. So here and the cutouts on there look precise for that glass too. Good job on that. So the ultra clear is going on and we're going to get it all cleaned up. I'm just trying to make sure it's really clean, and I'm going to drop it in here. I'm going to sit it in here. Oh, it goes in snug. And then I'm going to hit it again. I'm going to hit it again just to be sure before I hit it with the dust removal tool. So I always keep the dust removal tool close by. Sticker, I'm saying tool, but I keep this close by because this is a one-time deal, folks. It's one time. So if you didn't buy multiple of these, you're stuck like Chuck. You know who Chuck is. All right, so I think that's fairly clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and you gotta make sure this is flipped up right there. We're gonna hit it one more time. We're gonna close it up. And we're gonna pray that this works. So again, this is the best version of this mechanism that I've seen. So make sure there's no dust. I'm gonna hit it. I'm a little nervous, so I'm gonna hit it again. You only get one shot. You only get one shot. And that has some song goes, you only get one shot. Yeah. Yeah. This is, yeah. Make sure you take your time, folks. That's why you're watching this in real time with me, because this is how I'm doing it for you. I've definitely dropped the ball on some of these right here before. So it seals up nice. We're going full throttle. Jersey in the house. Let's get this thing. Come on, in case. I hope you did it right. Let's go. And we're going to press down right here. I'm sealing it up. I'm sealing it up. I'm making sure. All right, so. Did it go down? Oh, yeah, it went down, folks. Oh, look at that joint. It went down on there. That is not a bubble. I was nervous for nothing. Now that. All right, in case you win. There's not a bubble. It's lined up perfectly. It's a clean install. Whoa. And boom, there it is. Okay, so after having dealt with different, no shade to other companies, but this is it. So you see I pulled it through and I immediately closed it up all the way and I start pressing right here just to make it go down. So you probably should close it all the way and then pull it out. That was probably my error right there. In case I probably say, Jay, you're supposed to close it all the way because it does snap close and there's a little opening right here so you can pull it through. But boom, this is a good look. Touch sensitivity obviously is here. I mean, come on. Yes, it's working. It's working. It's working. All right, so there it is, folks. A little bit of a lengthy video for you, but hey, I wanted to make sure I did it right for you to show you that I'm just some cat. I may be a tech influencer or a tech reviewer or whatever, but I want to make sure I do it right for you. So there it is, man. Video is done. The ultra clear is. Let's check the front camera. We got to check the front camera, even though I know it's going to be good. Yeah, there it is. It's good. So there it is, folks. Man, that is a clean install. I was super nervous because you only get one shot to do this, man. So buy two if you feel like you're like me. If you're nervous about it, buy two of them. I think you'll be all right. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Full installation of the MagGlass UHD version. I love that mechanism. It worked like a charm. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.